Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing M2's painted rear reflectors on our G87 M2. We will be replacing the red reflectors that are found in this trim piece on the rear bumper cover and exchanging those for the painted gloss black version. Because the trim piece that they sit within is gloss black, we have opted to only offer these in the gloss black finish. We're going to focus on removal of this tab here found on the lower trim piece. After we remove the lower trim tab, we're going to focus on this trim tab. From the outside of the bumper cover, the tabs we're referencing are located here and here. We have found that removal of this entire gloss black trim piece is much easier than trying to locate the 3 tabs on the inside of the bumper cover that hold the reflector in. Once the 2 tabs are removed, you can pull with gentle force outward. Complete removal of the trim is not necessary, but if you choose to do so, pull the gray tab outward and then push and release. Now that we have the trim out of the vehicle, we can flip it over. This is the tab that we remove on the bottom. This is the inside tab closer to the center of the vehicle. And then these are the 3 that remove with gentle force from the outside of the bumper cover. Now that we're ready to remove the reflector, we just simply pinch the tab. Once all 3 are loose, you can pull the OE reflector out of the trim. Now that the OE reflector is removed, we can place the M2 painted reflector in place and snap it in. Always remember to plug your connections back in and lock it in place. Now we're ready to reinstall. Now our M2 painted rear reflectors in the gloss black finish are complete. We got rid of the unsightly OEM red reflectors. Like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you want to see next, and stay tuned for the next mods.